Theme of the day, problems. Right here is where the sink goes. And above that sink, the recessed medicine cabinet. Can you tell what the problem is? I'm Anthony Carino. I've built and renovated hundreds of homes over the last decade. My next project, though, is something very personal. I'm taking an old firehouse in Jersey City, and I'm converting it into a home. My home. This is the Build TV, The Firehouse Project.
It's insane!
So we're 1 month out from physical construction. This is going to be my last meeting with my general contractor, Mateo, before we begin work. We're discussing the details of the guest room, guest bathroom, and the powder room.
Okay, so tile work then, I have 3 full weeks. Second bathroom, full tile, no tile in the powder room.
Right. I think the 3 weeks will be okay.
All right, so that's great. So let me stop that, and we can stop this.
Fast forward 2 months, demo is done, framing is done, and electric and plumbing are roughed in. All right, so coming off the living room and the bar, we're talking about guest bedroom and the bathrooms. So first, the guest bedroom. It was really important to JC and I that we had a nice sized room that a guest felt welcome and they felt like they could stay here for a while. What we did here, made sure that the dimensions felt really nice for a queen size bed and 2 nightstands. And then I made sure that we had a really nice big closet in here. I'm having all custom closets done by Closet Made. One thing to notice, the storage above these closets. This was not on my original plans.
There was basically on-site decision to make cubby spaces up above the closets.
You're never gonna go wrong having extra storage, number one. Number two, these guys do this all the time. They come up with good ideas. This was never even on my mind. I don't think it would have happened if I wasn't on site talking to my guys as this process was happening. So, moving out of the guest room, we're moving into the full guest bath. So, guest bath, we've got a tub here. This is the only tub on the property. It's good for resale and it's good for younger kids. Next to the tub is the Kohler toilet, and then the Roburn vanity, and above that, a recessed medicine cabinet. So they put this plywood in here for the tub because I'm putting in EcoWarm radiant floorboards. So the EcoWarm is 3/4 thick, so we want that to match so that the tub is at the same height as the full subfloor. Then we put the tile on from there. Just a really nice, simple, clean guest bathroom. So from here, we go into the powder room. So back into the hallway, and now we're in the powder room. So literally never had a powder room before. People are in and out of this room, but you don't spend a lot of time in here. So you can really make some bold design choices. Suspended Roburn vanity here, also a Roburn mirror, and then got this beautiful Kohler vessel sink. It's an incredible stone vessel sink with a hand-etched pattern inside it. It's going to be absolutely stunning. The thing I'm most excited for, we're putting a Kohler smart toilet here in this bathroom. It washes itself. It has UV lights for disinfectants. It's got a heated seat. I'm not sure I even know all the features yet, but I'm really, really excited to put that in. So that's the guest bedroom, the guest bathroom, and the powder room. Now it's time to close up the walls. Guys are up on stilts. They're doing R30 in the ceilings. Then we got Comfort Bat R15 in the exterior walls. And then on the interior walls, we've got the Safe and Sound. All this stuff is by Rockwell. Absolutely fireproof material. This is all made out of crushed up rocks. So it's a very green product, a lot of recycling going on here, and absolutely incredible when it comes to sound deadening. We are insulated, sheetrock tape, spackled, and now we're gonna start the tile work in the guest bathroom. Sal, what do we got, my friend?
Okay.
Layout?
We can do the layout.
Okay.
The tiling.
I've got a mosaic hexagon pattern on the floor in navy blue. That also translates up the back wall of the bathroom in the tub area. The hexagon has 3 different finishes to it. It's got gloss, matte, and textured. All right, if you need me, let me know.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
All right. And then I've got a 3-inch by 12-inch super long handmade subway tile that is being installed in a stacked pattern from floor to ceiling. And it looks incredible. Everything's looking great, but there's a problem. Right here is where the sink goes. And above that sink, the recessed medicine cabinet.
We screwed up because we didn't cut the hole open for the mirror, and it's all tiled already.
Sheetrock guys covered the hole we made for the recessed medicine cabinet to set into the wall.
We had noticed that there was not an opening in the wall, and we didn't know how to tell Anthony this.
The sheetrock guys should have cut away the sheetrock for where the medicine cabinet goes so that my tile guys would have known tile wasn't supposed to be installed there. So now what we have to do is find that hole, which we know where it is, and then cut that out. So I'm super pissed about it. It wastes a lot of tile. It's not the tile guy's fault. It's just a lack of attention to detail. Oh, that hurts my soul. Oh, it just hurts my heart. Look at all that wasted tile. Look at that.
Man, I tell you, I think I shedded, I don't know how many pounds of stress. It worked out well.
Holy cow, dude.
Where'd you get those tiles from?
Oh. Garden State Tile, baby. All day long. All right, so tile work is all done. I want to get JC's eyes on this. I know she's going to be as excited as I am. So I want her to see the progress we've made.
The grout looks so good.
Right? And the back wall.
Wow.
I'm so excited about it.
So cool, I love it.
Cool. Today is a very big day on site because it's wallpaper day.
Anthony had discussed with us about wallpaper. Who does wallpaper anymore?
My man Ricardo right there is doing the wallpaper.
We said, oh, okay, what kind of like wallpaper is it?
He's starting with the powder room, and the powder room is a tribute to Rossi.
It turns out it was dogs. At first, we laughed and we kind of joked around. But then once we put it up, we said, wow, this actually damn looks good.
Not gonna lie, I panicked a little bit about the wallpaper.
Yeah, that's all right, teamwork, baby. The sink of all sinks. Kohler, seriously outdid yourself on that one. This powder room is turning out to be everything I wanted it to be.
Hands down, that was probably one of the best powder rooms that we've done to date.
So the guest bedroom, the guest bathroom, and the powder room are completely finished. All right, so coming off the living room, we've got storage closet, coat closet, we've got a powder room, we've got the guest bathroom, and we've got the guest bedroom. All right, we have a really nice size bedroom. We went with Benjamin Moore cushion green on the back wall. Woo! It's a dynamite color. Really nice calming tone. All the bedding, snow home. We did that throughout the house. And then from there, you know, we wanted our guests to feel like they were gonna have a place to stay for a while. So we outfitted the guest room closets with Closet Made as well. The Schlage hardware, the glass geometric knobs with the modern brass square back plates. And then with the 14-foot ceilings, these are all storage compartments. So decorations to off-season clothing can go right up in the storage areas. We put a Serena blackout shade here. The Serena shades by Lutron are connected by voice, are connected by app. All right, so coming out of the guest bedroom, we got the guest bathroom. All right, so second bathroom. Roburn vanity, Kohler components, faucets. We went chrome here in the guest bathroom. I just felt like chrome really went nicely with the white and the blue tiles. All the tile from Garden State Tile again. Also Roburn on the medicine cabinet. It's got built-in lighting. It dims up and down. Kohler tub, Kohler toilet, and we went with the Kohler sliding glass doors as well. Everything fits nicely in a nice, neat, compact space, and it gives our guests some privacy. So we've got a nice dedicated space for our guests. So in order to keep that space dedicated, I really wanted to design in a powder room. All right, the powder room is just that. It is a toilet and a sink. We wanted this here as our main bathroom for this floor. It's a room you don't spend a ton of time in, which to me translates into being able to take a lot of chances. So for me, that chance was my Hugin West wallpaper. We did this bathroom in honor of Rossi, obviously. So again, we went with Roburn vanity. This time we went with a vessel sink from Kohler, which is absolutely beautiful. Roburn mirror here, not a medicine cabinet because we don't need to store anything. So this is the Veil Smart Toilet from Kohler. That is the warm seat, the automatic covers, and the nice wash and dry features. So that's the powder room. A lot of design in a very compact space. That's about it. We wanted to make sure our guests felt like they were at home, that we weren't skimping on them. JC's parents live 3 hours away in upstate New York. Her sister, brother-in-law live in Florida with the kids. We have friends from all over the country. We want to be able to offer them a place to stay so they're not in a hotel. So getting a second bedroom and a second bathroom was very important. Coming up this season on the Build TV, we go room by room to show you what it takes to convert this old firehouse into a home.
Wow.
Subscribe or follow at thebuild.tv to make sure you don't miss any episodes.